So whatsoever that Nguga wants, Nguga must get, whether could it be via chemical engineering or could it be via greediness, because manje uNguga ufuna igazi lomuntu and asazi uba umuntu somthathaphi. Okay ke uthe ke na ku unkosikazi kaMeya, oh well, supposedly supposed to be wife, athi ke na angifuni ukuthi maseswenza idini umuntu angabibikho kulento, angabi namathandabuza xa sikhuluma, xa sithethe ungabi namathandabuza. Ungathi wena ayiva ncama into sithethayo. You have to understand, you have to agree to what we are saying, because now kumele uthembe ukuthi this thing is gonna work. This only comes if you believe in it, and if you don't believe, then it means it's waste isikhathi, because mina ngizobamba la wena uyibambe le, which is a problem for all of us. So I need all of us to be here. Atigena Miss Martha, how much, who, what and where. Atigena uNguga ke akho nkinga, mina into engifunayo umntanakho. Umbuzo uthi muphike lo mntana. Are we talking about the mntana that is in varsity or umntana ongaphakathi? Asazi, and I think also she doesn't know. Well, anyway, this all erupted when they woke up in the morning. Mr. Mayor, well, ex-mayor, woke up in the morning, and Martha, and then bebalwele iskiki. Latseba skiki ke skiki se le sa misisi. La se gopola ke skiki. Yeah. So now nari Martha ari this guy Mr. Mayor Jackson Hantes Kiki kontle, because bianong re ka se no nna le meroto ka hare a ntlo. And then Jackson was like, no, but I need some peace and quiet. I think no Martha, no, but we can't do peace and quiet at this point in time. We are in so much pressure. If it's not from the community, it's just about our own lives. I don't even understand how do people live inside a shack. So now snaking is ninzi kuba wena uzohlala apho uthi wena awukwazi ukukhipha ibhakede lomchamo. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndimadekwana. Sanbonan, abshin, molwen, minjani. Hipukile hingongwina. So, namutlakana ngona hina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Hikumakorosho samsekangi kahle. Looking at the fact that Faith. Martha decided, in fact, she had no option but to go to her sister's house and ask for ukutya, because akho kutya apha emkhukhwini apha ematyotyombeni, there's no food there. So she had to go and ask food from somewhere, and it has to be her sister. Now, like, the sister can now see that she's down and out, and started asking, what are you guys eating? Even Nomeya udlandoni atigena akonto sidlayo apha. And then the sister said, in fact, ngizokunikeza umphako ke, so that at least uzobambisanyana. That mphako took a point where she had to go back home ebusuku, because beyangafuni abantu baze babone ukuthi yena uphethe umphako from the sisters. Anywho, on the other side of the town, Mrs. Mayor, the current mayor, uyekile umsebenzi because uma eskhele bekabhizi ambamba lapha athi kena, I like amantombazana anesmile esinjengalesakho. And then she had to push him away to say, lalela ngisiyona type leyo uca ngithi ngiyona mina. I might be working at the hotel, but I'm not what you think I am. So mina, I'm here to make legit money, and angikho kulezi ndaba zokuza. In Nigeria they will say, I'm not the ashawo. Yeah, not be the ashawo, it be. So when she got home, she was very upset. She decided to tell her husband, and the husband was fuming, wanting to go to the hotel and speak a word or two. But she then refused and said, listen, you can't do that, because you are now a mayor. And if people are going to look at you to say, did we really vote for the right person here? Now he had to come down and listen to the wife. We thank God that he didn't. But did he really not go? And does. Well, the Tim and Tiny. Oh, there's a nice ringtone to that. Tim and Tiny. Yeah. Tim and Tiny is like they're rocking this thing, because now Tiny ubiyele emsebenzini bamtshela ukuthi yena uzoba ngala on the side of the on the kitchen side of things. Uzorokha ngakhona lapha on the kitchen side of things. And she was then taken for induction. Ukuthi abone ukuthi ini idlani ihlanzani, so that tomorrow angazazoshayisa. Remember, she took was it a cherry picker bese uyashayisa lapha kungaziwa ukuthi manje into lezo sizoyithini. So at least they put her in the kitchen, and I think uyakwazi ukupheka ke uTiny. She cooks nice food, so obviously I think that's her strongest point where they put her, and I think she's gonna excel on it. But ke ngiyamazi nokudlisa abantu nje uTiny, you just don't know what to expect out of her. Nje, she's that kind nje. She can surprise you any day, anytime. So now, as Umfundisi was trying to do, Umandla was trying to do induction. In fact, it was a sit-down talk with uTiny noTim, but yena beka busy abamba amagxibisa phansi kaTim. And uTim ambudire ene ofaronga krempe so ngasikunota kokhombela 1 minute. Like what? Unfortunately or fortunately for Umfundisi, actually believe ukuthi vele uTim he has a cramp. Is it called a cramp? Yeah. So now bese athi kena kushuthi uzoguga masinya, because if uphethwe cramp manje sasemncane kanje asazi ukuthi nalo uzogugela khona ugugela kuphi. Anyway, on the sales side of things, now ihotela imutengoni ikorengisiwa and haritse gore ke mangatla rekang, but at this point in time we know gore gona le motho o leng gore o beile offer, and that is the two musketeers ba leng gore ke bona ba baranang toropo e. And obviously ha di tsena di tsebeng tsa Martha ayizange imphathe kahle naze, because she felt like, but out of everybody, why does it have to be them? Why? But I think Mr. Mkwanaza could be the one that is paying for Utandiso, because Utandiso negotiated a good deal to say no. But this money that you wrote here is a little bit more higher than what we have agreed. And Uma Eskele said no, it's fine. He's willing or angamubisela at least 1.5 million euro so that he can get the money. So it looks like he's not even interested in the hotel, even if he can sell it for next to nothing, as long as he gets a bit of millions here and there, and then he gets out. I think comes over that is close to what he has given to Mr. Mayor, and then also with the interest. But I think now ungathi upunguza ama interest so that at least he can get back the money that he lost. The question is, Uncuka is coming now and offering all these nice things. Does this mean that in the Daga Petunia his position is short-lived? Oh Jehovah, guys, don't tell me that that position is so short-lived, because agatelele Mr. Mayor Jackson ya papa and yes, ngisaba nokubona. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And also remember, on this channel, I only do television show reviews. I do not post episodes.